Welcome to the showcase of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. Get ready to explore the exceptional features and capabilities of this powerful camera kit. Experience the enhanced Dual Pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, ensuring precise and sharp focus for your photography needs. Capture stunning moments with the 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, offering remarkable clarity and detail in every shot. Expand your creativity with the wide ISO range of 100 to 6400, H/1800. Stay connected on the go with the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, allowing seamless sharing and remote control of your camera. Perfect for those who are always on the move. Benefit from the 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF, ensuring fast and accurate focus tracking for both stills and videos. Never miss a moment with this advanced autofocus technology. Immerse yourself in the Optical Viewfinder with approximately 95% viewing coverage, providing a clear and comprehensive view of your composition. See the world through a new lens. Transform your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam using the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, available for both Mac and Windows. Elevate your video calls and live streams with superior image quality. Capture your memories in stunning detail with the FHD 1080p video capture resolution. Relive every moment with clarity and vibrancy, bringing your videos to life.